Hey guys, in today's video, I will be showing you how to get the tech revolver in 1v1 lever gun. Okay guys, so now I am at the area where you get the tech revolver. It's right here in this wall. So you're gonna be like red, blue, yellow, yellow, blue. Uh-oh, wait, no. It was red. Oopsies. Oh, silly me. I know what it is. Why didn't I am so sorry, guys. Red, blue, yellow, yellow, red, yellow. And then here it is, guys. Here's a tech revolver. I guess I'll just collect it for you guys. And just a second. Alright, guys. Almost there. Super close. Okay, so I'll be showing you what it looks like. Don't listen to these stats. It does 100 damage when you're close. It just matters on how close you are. So watch. That did 100. That also did 100. 86. 66. And the further you are, the less damage it does. So because you're the more damage, please like and subscribe. It would really help me so much.